Liongard has saved us time and money through the initial setup of the product. As long as somebody doesn't discontinue that service, we aren't putting any time or effort into documenting things about those customers in the traditional ways, like, again, spreadsheets, documents. IT Glue, for example, we won't touch it. We just let Liongard do its thing, and every task that it does is a task a human is not doing. And that saves us a lot of time and a lot of accuracy. We brought on Liongard to give us that information in near real time as quickly as it can update. Then we have that, and then we have change tracking and a couple of those other features that are really critical for us. I love the timeline. That has helped us a lot. A good example is we are concerned about our customers' cybersecurity, and the DNS monitoring element that comes in with Liongard, aside from it can automatically discover domains from Microsoft 365, or if we manually enter them, or if it's an API integration with companies like GoDaddy, it pulls all those domains in and automatically looks at what's going on with them. When we see specific records change, Liongard can tell us, and that tells us this is good, this is bad. We should ask a question about an engineer, but if specific records change, then we know that there could potentially be a hacking attempt and someone's trying to hijack one of the companies that we support. Liongard can give us that, and many more. One good example is definitely what the internet domain search feature can do for us. How I would describe Liongard, it is it's a lot of things, and it's hard to put a real title onto necessarily what it does. It rides a line between data discovery and information and kind of monitoring for conditions because you have that data in the first place. I would say have a clear plan, like know what you're trying to look for. Like, am I looking for information about my customers? Am I looking for, what are your business use cases for it? And if it's really like documentation, filling in gaps, that's probably like the #1 place I would use it. Are we looking at the right things? Do I need to adjust my monitoring because Liongard's showing a light in a place that it's deficient? So I'm always concerned about what is our internal user experience and our external user experience and what we're trying to do with that. My experiences with customer support have been positive. I have spoken, we've had regular meetings with our rep, and we've also had I guess, semi-random meetings where I think like Dave DeVara had come in and joined us on some calls and helped us understand where the product roadmap is, what's going on, like what our concerns might be. The support teams are super responsive. They've been very helpful. I've been almost afraid sometimes if I know the question I'm about to ask and I know it's not going to be an easy one, and they've never made me feel like I've asked too much or too little. Our relationship with Liongard has been it seems like it's been like two-way. And what matters to me is who can I build a relationship with. So like if your tool's great and it does a lot of stuff, but we can't have a relationship and I feel I have no voice, that's not the right fit for us as a company. But if I can get both of those, the best of both of those worlds, that really is where I'm going to put my time and energy in. When you grow, I grow. And when I grow, I can put that back in and you can grow as well. We look at inspectors and what information is coming back. We give feedback about product enhancements. We participate within that community. I've got one guy dedicated to the relationship, and he's just a NOC engineer, and he absolutely loves working with Liongard. So we participate in the video calls that come out every month. We read through all of the documentation. We have a group, 3 of us, sit down after every release and comprehend what this is doing, and then immediately change our internal process in our company. So that way we can adapt to what the new features are and reduce how much work we have. And that's the goal, is reduce the work, improve the quality, and that's exactly what Liongard does for us.